In the question number 9 of this exercise 8.3, question says that find the amount to be paid at the interest of 3 years in each case. Here are two parts given. In part number A is given that time is 3 years and principal amount is given that 1200 and the rate is given that 12%. Okay, I want to tell you once again that you will put the time of all times in the year. If the time is given into the month, then you will convert this month into the year by dividing by 12, because you know that 1 year equal to 12 months. So in each time, if the time is given that 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, then you will divide it by 12 and you will write your time in the year. Then you will put the time T in this place. Okay, so this is the formula to find the simple interest. S means simple, I means interest. So this is P into R into T divided by 100, where P is the principal amount and R is the rate and T is time. How can you identify which is the time, which is the rate? For the time, you can observe in the question there are month and year in indicate, and for the rate always you will get this symbol, that is percent. 2%, 5%, 8%, 10%, 15%. Then you can see that this is the rate R. Okay, so here R is 12% and principal amount is 1200 and time is given that 3 years. So you will use the formula SI equal to P into R into T upon 100. So dear, you can put P, this is given that 1200 and R means 2%. So you will put only 12, not 2 nahi, 12. Percent nahi likhna hai, you will put here only 12 and time is given that 3. So dear, divided by 100. Now you can simplify it. 0 and 0 cancelled out. Again 0 and 0 cancelled out. 12 ja 12 into 12 144, correct. 144 into 3. So dear, 3 4 ja 12 and again 3 4 ja 12 and 1 carry 13 and 3 1 ja 3 and 1 4. So this is 432. This is the simple interest for the amount 1200 if the rate is 12% for 1 year. Okay, now question says that find the amount, not interest. Question says that find the amount. So how can you find amount? Yes,
principal plus interest.
Very good. Amount equal to principal plus simple interest. So dear, you will add these two. You will get here amount equal to principal is 1200 and simple interest is 432. So dear, you can add this. 0 and 2 is 2, 0 and 3 is 3 and 2 and 4 is 6 and 1 is simply you can write. So this is the amount. Finally you can write that answer amount equal to rupees 1632. So this is the answer of this question. So you will observe that this question is so easy. You will put the values only in the formula, then you will get your answer. Want to tell you this question number 10 here. Listen once again. What rate gives? What rate? So you will rate equal to question mark. Again, gives the rupees 280 at interest, and interest you will take here only simple interest. So you will write here SI is given that 280 rupees. Okay,
yes,
so
sir.
you can mark here rupees 280. This is the simple interest. Okay, and on the sum of rupees
The principal.
56,000. Okay, so this is the amount, that is principal amount. So P equal to 56,000. Okay, very good. 56,000. Okay, nice. And the time is given
Sir,
that
2
only
years.
2 years. So you will put here at the place of T, that is 2 years. So, okay, 5 years. 2 years. Very nice. Once again you will apply this formula. That is SI equal to P into R into T and divide by 100. Okay. So SI is given that 280, you can see that. And principal amount is given that 56,000. And R is required, so you will place in the place of R, same to same. And time is given that 2 years, so you will put here 2 and divide by 100. You can cancel this 0 by this 0 and this 0 by this 0. Okay, remaining things you will simplify it. How can you simplify? See here. First of all, you know that required things you will write always into the left side. R is required, so these things you will write in the left side without transposing. So you can write 56 and 10, that is 560 into R into 2 only, equal to, here is 280, so you will write 280. Very good. Now transpose one by one all things to the right hand side. Only you write the left hand side required things, that is R. Okay, first of all you will write this 280, otherwise you will go on mistake. So without mistake you will write first of all the right hand things, that is 280. And you can see that this all things are just into the multiplication. So when you transpose, this just goes to the divide, that is into the denominator. So you will write this divide by 560 into 2 is also comes here.
Yes, sir.
So dear, again 0 and 0 is cancelled out, and you can direct cancel this by table number 28. Otherwise you can cancel this by table number 2, table number 4, table number 7 and table number 14. या तो फिर आप डायरेक्ट कैंसिल करेंगे. 28 बन जा 28, 28 टू जा 56. So dear, you will get in the numerator only 1 and the denominator 2 into 2, that is 4. And you can write this is the rate, that is 1 by 4%. Otherwise you can convert this into the fraction, that's a decimal fraction, as 1 is divided by 4. Can you divide 1? No.
No,
So
sir.
you will put here decimal, here you put 0 and decimal is also here, and take 1 0. Okay. Now 4 2 ja 8. Now remaining is 2. Okay. You can take one more 0 here and bring down 8. So you will take this is 20. 4 5 ja 20. Remaining is nothing. So your answer is this is 0.25, and here this is the rate. So compulsory you will put here mark the symbol percent, that is 0.25%. So the rate of this question is 0.25%. So this is your answer. So here is the rate required. You can write that rate is equal to 0.25%. So this is the answer of this question. तो आपने देखा कि यहाँ पे इस क्वेश्चन का सोल्यूशन कैसे किया. सेम फॉर्मूला बट something transposed to left right. Okay, then you will get your answer. In the same way you will proceed this question number 11. In the question number 11, question says that find the only what is the sum, principal amount पूछा है. तो आप principal amount की जगह P लिख दोगे. चलिए मैं बता देता हूँ. In this question number 11 given that interest rupees 45. So we will write here simple interest equal to rupees 45. Okay. After that next thing is given that 1 year. It means time is given that 1 year. Very good. And then after that you will write rate is given that 9%. Okay. So So in the place of time you will write 9%, and principal amount is required. Find the sum. Sum means principal amount is, you will use the simple formula SI equal to P into R into T divided by 100. Okay. So dear, what to do in this case? SI equal to, you will write 45, and principal amount is required, so you will write same to same, and the rate is given that 9%, so you will write 9 at the place of R, and time is given that 1 only, 1 year, so you will write 1 and divide by 100. So nothing is cancelled out here. So you will write here just like that, P into 9 into 1 means 9 1 ja 9, and divide by 100 equal to 45. Very good. And now P equal to, dear, you transpose other things to right side. Here 9 just into the multiplication. So if you transfer this to right hand side, then it will goes to the denominator. And 100 is just into the denominator. So this will be goes into the numerator, that is into the multiplication, that is 100. डिवाइड है वो मल्टीप्लाई में जाएगा ट्रांसपोज करने पे, और जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है वो डिवाइड में जाएगा. यू नो द टेबल नंबर 9. ओके, 9 5 जा
45.
करेक्ट. तो 9 1 जा 9, 9 5 जा 45. If you multiply 5 into 100, then you will get the result
500.
very good, rupees 500. This is the answer. तो आपका जो प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट था वो कितना आ गया?
Sir, 500.
So this is the answer. Rupees 500 is the principal amount for this question. So this is the answer. Okay. Okay, dear. Thank you.